Morning. Is it morning? I don't know. Don't know what it is where you are. I'm just checking out some cycle lanes in and around Glasgow. See if this guy stops for me. It's Cowcaddens Road and it's very icy today, so I'm being super careful. Probably going a wee bit too fast right now. But you need to see how wide this cycle lane is. I'll just cross over here. I mean, look at that. That's great. Even looking at the plans, it never occurred to me that it was going to be this wide, so this is a great thing. What I'm going to do just now is I'm going to head over to St George's Cross, then I'm going to go to Byres Road at the junction with University Avenue, and then after that, look at Argyle Street. Then after Argyle Street, South Portland Street, and then I'm going to go to Queen's Park because I've been told that there's a wee bit of work going on up there. So let's head to St George's Cross. I was planning on getting a drone shot at this junction, but the only bit that's been added is this bit on the west side. So they must be doing the cycle lane on the west side before moving over to the east side. It's going to take ages to do this. Thanks very much. The GTI Golf, you can have a look at that. That is glorious. Look this way. So is this a continuation of a cycle lane? Going down there, Gardens, Yorkhill Street. Try to figure out what that means. Hey, no, I don't want to go up that way. Oh, I hate that weaving in and out. Thanks. Yeah, that's good. It is green now. Huh? Oh, got it. So, this is cool. Brilliant. That's what I like to see. So St George's Road, that's pretty cool because they've worked their way up to just past the junction on Maryhill Road and up to the satellites, pedestrian crossing, and then it's going to cross over the road from there. The other thing we went to was Byres Road at University Avenue. That junction, they've just added one wee bit onto that, and then after that we went to, what do you call it, connecting Yorkhill and Kelvin Grove, and you can see the cycle lane's been started on Yorkhill Street, which is great. It's just like a wee network around about there, which will help. The other thing that we went to see was South Portland Street. And South Portland Street, that's the first time I've actually seen a cycle lane, or the imprint for a cycle lane there. So, and then we got down to the junction and they started the Cyclops junction there, so you can see wee bits of that taking shape. The thing about this is that this is all kind of add on to areas that are already like kind of got a high amount of cyclists, so I was quite happy to come up to the South City Way and see that they've made that wee bit up the back there. I can't remember the name of the street permanent, but that's a big thing. And I've talked about that in videos before, where you put the soft segregation down. If it works, then put something permanent in. If it doesn't, change it, put it somewhere else. Oh, sorry, I'm blind.